Finding the best espresso accessories kit can feel overwhelming with so many options out there. From tampers to milk frothers, having the right tools really makes a difference in your home espresso game. I've tried a few kits myself, and some honestly made pulling shots so much easier and more enjoyable. With years of hands-on experience in home coffee brewing, I've learned which accessories are truly worth it, especially for those of us in the US who want convenience without sacrificing quality. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. The Yozu 7-pack 54mm Espresso Accessories Kit. The Yozu 7-pack 54mm Espresso Accessories Kit is perfect for home espresso lovers. I really liked the spring-loaded espresso tamper, which gives even pressure for smooth, consistent shots. The magnetic dosing funnel keeps grounds neat and reduces mess while preparing coffee. The kit also includes a WDT tool, puck screen, and stylish wooden tamping station, making setup organized and efficient. It's compact, durable, and ideal as a gift for coffee enthusiasts. Overall, this set makes home espresso brewing easier and more enjoyable. Number 4. The YSEP 25 PCS 51mm Espresso Accessories Kit. The YSEP 25 PCS 51mm Espresso Accessories Kit is a well-rounded set for home baristas. I immediately noticed the spring-loaded calibrated tamper, which gives consistent pressure for smoother espresso shots. The magnetic dosing funnel keeps coffee grounds neat and prevents messy counters. The kit also includes a WDT tool, puck screen, and latte art stencils, making it easy to create cafe-quality drinks at home. The milk frother with measurement markings is simple to use and dishwasher safe. It's compact, durable, and perfect for beginners or coffee enthusiasts. Overall, it's a practical kit that elevates your espresso routine and makes brewing enjoyable. Number 3. The DIGN 28 PCS 51mm Espresso Accessories Kit. The DIGN 28 PCS 51mm Espresso Accessories Kit is a complete set for anyone who loves making coffee at home. I really enjoyed the wood tamping station, which keeps everything stable and organized. The decorative stencils are a fun bonus, letting you create latte art easily. The kit also includes a dosing funnel, puck screen, and WDT tool to ensure even coffee distribution and smoother shots. The stainless steel frothing pitcher with measurement markings makes steaming milk simple. It's durable, well-made, and ideal for both beginners and home baristas. A small downside is that it takes a little space to store, but it's worth it for the convenience. Overall, this kit makes brewing espresso more enjoyable and professional. Number 2. The ICAP 53mm Black Espresso Tool Set. The ICAP 53mm Black Espresso Toolset is a complete kit for anyone serious about home espresso. I immediately noticed the magnetic funnel, which makes pouring grounds neat and spill-free, such a simple feature, but a huge time saver. The puck screen also impressed me, helping filter fine coffee particles for a smoother, more balanced shot every time. The tamper and distributor work together to create even compression and uniform coffee distribution, which really improves extraction. I appreciated the included tamping station and brush, keeping my workspace tidy and organized. While it's slightly pricier than some kits, the build quality feels durable and professional. For US home baristas who enjoy making espresso daily, this set streamlines the process and adds a touch of elegance to any coffee setup. Overall, it's thoughtfully designed and one of the best tools for achieving barista-quality espresso at home. Number 1. The Reoszeank 51mm Espresso Accessories Kit. The Reoszeank 51mm Espresso Accessories Kit is a handy set for anyone using DeLonghi 51mm machines. The spring-loaded calibrated tamper impressed me most, giving a perfect, consistent 30 pounds pressure every time. It makes tamping feel effortless and precise, which is a game changer for smooth espresso. I also loved the magnetic dosing funnel, which keeps coffee grounds from spilling everywhere and makes shots cleaner and faster. The WDT tool works well to break up clumps, creating an even coffee bed and enhancing flavor. It's compact, durable, and simple enough for beginners while still giving pros good control. One thing to note is the tamper size fits 51mm port fillers, so check compatibility first. Overall, this kit is great for home baristas in the US looking to elevate their routine. It's truly one of the best espresso machine accessories kits I've tried. Final verdict. Personally, I recommend the Reoszeank 51mm Espresso Accessories Kit. It delivers consistent results with its spring-loaded calibrated tamper and magnetic dosing funnel, making it perfect for home baristas seeking reliable barista-quality espresso every time. For those looking for a more premium or comprehensive option, the ICAP 53mm Black Espresso toolset is excellent, offering extra tools like a puck screen, tamper station, and cleaning accessories to elevate your coffee setup. Both kits are durable, user-friendly, and well-suited for US home espresso enthusiasts. Check the description links for current prices and details, and pick the one that best fits your style and needs. Either choice will make your espresso routine smoother and more enjoyable.